Greetings everyone, we are from Sparkle's team who are going to present our newly planned business which is Spark Loop Sendirian Berhad, which focuses on the monetization of waste cooking oil into biolubricant. We are going to produce biolubricant as an alternative to petroleum-based lubricant by using waste cooking oil as a raw material. Alright, according on the research and statistics which has been studied, cooking oil is being a food base in many countries, not only Malaysia. Based on the trend, United States serves the highest potential percentage of the production of waste cooking oil. This shows that many are not concerning on the drawbacks of waste cooking oil to the environment. If we are not aware of this trend, it will give a huge impact on the economic demand and environmental aspects. Moving on to the constraints, first, waste cooking oil disturbs the drainage flow system. For instance, some household likes to dump dirty oil directly down sink drains, which can lead to sewage blockage and damage. It requires very high cost for maintenance and wastewater treatment. Next, drawbacks of mineral oil and based lubricants. Oil processing companies focusing more on the mineral oil lubricants which is derived from petroleum. Mineral oil can no longer contain the gradually more stringent demands in many specific application fields. Mineral oil are non-renewable and are potential threat to the environment. It can cause air pollution where when this mineral oil biolubricant is being burnt, it will emit hazardous gases to the environment. Then there is a lack of awareness among certain oil processing companies. They are not concerned on the advantages of biolubricants where it can possess high performance level with its high viscosity level. And thus why we come up with an idea of recycling this waste cooking oil into something beneficial, which is biolubricant. There are few advantages discovered of the biolubricant produce, which is it can perform at the highest level compared to the petroleum based lubricants. This can be varied by its higher viscosity level. Moreover, biolubricant is environmental friendly, which can reduce the occurring pollution, and it is highly biodegradable. It is also has low toxicity and volatility, which stands a better place and chance in market in the future. By proposing this project, we can implement a zero waste project and at the same time creating many job opportunities for the ones who are unemployed. On the side note, biolubricant market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 5.9% in terms of value and reach USD 4.41 billion in 2026. Europe dominates the demand, but Asia Pacific is also developing rapidly. High demand for the fuel efficient automotive across the globe also is one of the major drive of the market. Asian Pacific forecast compound annual growth rate of 4.8% is being assumed in 2023. Alright, this is our alternative of recycling waste cooking oil into biolubricant in a large scale plant which involves two trans-esterification phases. One is to convert into biodiesel and the second phase is to further process it into biolubricant. Our plant is located at Silong Jaya Senai Johor as there is an easy access of raw material which is near to most of our suppliers. It is also placed at an industrial area as it has easy access to many utilities and power supplies. The supplier for waste cooking oil is Scope Oil and Agricode Green. The supplier for methanol and catalyst is Konglonghuat Chemicals, Beast Chemicals and Stallion Chemicals. And finally our trimethyl propane catalyst supplier is Lanso Corporation. This is our competitors, customers and investors.
Economic analysis is divided into capital expenses and operating expenses. Capital expenses is around 57.9 million per year. Total investment capital is divided into fixed capital, working capital, and land purchasing costs. Operating expenses is around 136.7 million per year. Total production cost is divided into fixed cost, variable cost, and sales expenses. We does not generate any profit at the first 2 years as we are still in the construction period. At third year we start our business, but our cash flow is still in a negative value. Our business break even at 4.07 years with satisfying return of investments at 44.17%. At 7 years, we plan to expand our business to Kuala Lumpur. We plan to set up our plant at Kuala Lumpur and create more awareness to people in Kuala Lumpur.